Hi, dear aspirants. So, examination is just around the corner, and there are few things that I would like to discuss with you right now. See, right now, there are certain things that might be going on with you. Number one, there might be a lot of anxiety that you might be dealing with. Secondly, there might be a distinct kind of guilt that you might be facing. You don't know that what is this guilt. You know this thing that you have given 100%, but still there is guilt which is unexplainable. And third, there might be a lot of self sabotage that might be going on. You might be doubting yourself, you might be criticizing yourself, you might be saying every possible thing to yourself which will belittle you. Now, there are two things that I would like to discuss. That, see, when we talk about this particular examination, this examination has two dimensions. One dimension is of knowledge. When we talk about knowledge, how well versed you are with history, economy, geography, polity, current affairs, this is all about knowledge. But second dimension is mindset. Second dimension is mindset. Often in this examination, we talk about this component knowledge. We talk that, see, go and attempt previous year questions, attempt this particular test series, revise from this note, that note. We are talking about knowledge, but rarely we talk about mindset. Understand this particular thing, that doesn't matters how many years you have prepared, doesn't matters how many months you have prepared, but how you respond on a d-day, how you respond on the day when you are sitting in the examination hall, that's going to make or break the deal. So mindset is more important. Therefore, anxiety that you are facing right now, if you will not deal with this, it will continue with you till the examination hall. You might think that, okay, doesn't matters. There is negativity, there is anxiety. It will not impact me. No, it will impact you. Let me explain how it is going to impact you. See this particular thing, that in examination hall, and I have come to this conclusion after discussing this with hundreds of aspirants, doesn't matter how well you have prepared, 40 to 45 questions will be the one which you will be knowing. But attempting 40 to 45 question will not guarantee us clearing the prelims examination, because never it has happened that some aspirant marked 40 questions and he got straight 80 marks, or attempted 45 questions and got straight 90 marks. That doesn't happen. There are some silly mistakes that we do. Sometimes our minds deceive us. We think that, okay, option A is the right one. We mark the option A, but when we come back home, we realize that, okay, how I marked A, the answer should have been D. Okay, there are some deception, there are some kind of misinterpretations, silly doubts, silly things that happen. Point is that this anxiety will enhance these silly mistakes. See this particular thing, you have to mark in the range of 70 to 75 questions. Now plus minus 5 questions can be there, but this is a golden range in which you have to attempt the questions. Now the point that comes here is that we will be knowing around 45 50 questions, but I have to mark around 70 to 75 questions. How I'll reach from this to this point? Self confidence is the key here. How much confident you are on the preparation, how much good you are with the intelligent guessing, that will play a very important role here. And for this you need to be calm, you need to be composed, you need to have a serene state of mind where you can form a broader picture. And this self sabotage that you are having right now, this self doubt that you are having right now, it might cost you this entire year. So my point is that right now you need to relax a little bit, spend some time with your friends. Now I'm not saying that you need to throw your books away. You should read. Why? Because reading will keep you occupied, reading will keep you away from that negative loophole. So you should read. But my point is that whatever, see, you might be having this particular thing in your mind that if I would have 30 more days, if I would had 40 more days, I would have done this, I would have done that. But see, already you have got 21 more days because the examination was postponed. And see, frankly, you did not had done a lot in these extra 21 days that you got. So even now, if you'll get 30 more days or 60 more days, nothing is going to change. Preparation that you have done for entire 1 year, that is something that will now count. So my point is that let the things be, relax little bit, have a self talk with yourself, write down that what are your insecurities, and try to have a logical discussion with yourself. See, this examination is very important thing, but this examination is not your entire life. If you will have this mindset, this will definitely be helpful than the mindset of negativity. So take some time for yourself. You have done a lot, and now it's time to ease. Take care.